So here's another top tip for you. Rather than get your poles and lay them across the ground and put them together, you've then got the issue where you've got the strain of lifting them up. You're putting a bit of strain on the poles and a little bit of strain on yourself. I don't know about you, but I quite like an easy life. So what I do is I put my poles against the wall, I have my SkyVac logos pointed upwards, and I'll get my clamps open. Now you can adjust the tension of these clamps by simply holding the little wheel there and twisting this, and that will affect the tension of the clamp. You see that's really tight now. So I'll back that off. I'm going to turn it, give it a couple of turns, because I think that's a little bit too tight. And I'm going to build my poles against the wall. Now I've already selected my end tool. That's the end tool I'm going to use. I literally put them like this, and I clamp them in. I've got that positive stopper there, and I put the clamps nice and tight. Like this. Drop that in, and then it goes in the gutter. Now of course by the time it's in the gutter, that gutter acts like an anchor point and takes the weight off of you, the operator. Top tip, build them up against the wall.